Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans.
So, ang halip guys, katong baliha.
Hoy, kita, pero mga question naman eh.
Oy, importante sa chika no para ma-refresh ang brain.
Refreshment, no snacks na lang sa table of the notes.
Wala yung notes memorize na na.
Sure ka, basta gamitin ka. Define function na niya yun ka party with purpose.
Sige, rekat ka sa logic o sa ganyan ang proposition.
Yan ba, mag-propose ka sa crush ni mo.
Ikaw pa rin pala ang hanap-hanap para
Moment ng single ka, kay wrong proposition ka, perme.
Pero wag mag-alala, hindi na kita
Ang proposition is a statement that is either true or false. Para sa iyong promise, nga di na ako mali.
So,
Masisisi mo ba kung ayaw na talaga? Kung ang pag-ibig
always study later, false. Dayan niyo.
False, kaya later never comes man.
Kailan ka makakatulog ng mahimbing? Kahit ilang minuto lang na di ikaw ang
Ikagyod ang klaro nga true love.
Love is an intersection of two lonely sets.
Hala, Julian, grabe ka mat poisik.
Okay, mag-table ta. Umigon si Denise nga mag-review ko. True or false?
False.
And if si Angel moingon nga, dili ko magchika. False, gihapo?
Hoy!
So, the statement mag-review si Binis and dili magchika sa Angels. Please.
False! See, even man knows we're hopeless.
Aray ko!
Ang function mo ng relation nga, each input has a one output, di ba?
Correct.
So kung ako ang input, tapos si Regeline ang output, meaning the function,
Nahulog na. Anong magagawa? Laging natutulala lang. Tuwing lumalapit ka, tuwing lumalapit ka, ako ay natutuwa.
Dili oy, that's undefined behavior.
Error or all four feelings not found.
Maybe your domain doesn't define delete.
Itong nasa second quarter, business math.
Yes, it's like fun.
Hibalo ko na, if I rent dyan yung 100 pesos with 5 interest, and after 2 years, ako masuko niya kay Washing Tubo.
maayo kung feelings si mong i-invest ka sure ko walay tubo.
Nice.
Not compound interest. That's compounded heartbreak.
In life, the real interest is when people start care.
That I code for everything, no?
In my coping mechanism.
Deal with emotion.
Emotional damage!
Mitan nagbinuang daghan gihapon pag nahibalaan.
True. From logic, we learn to think clearly. From function, we learn balance. And from business math, we learn
For at least try to tipid.
pero sa tinuod ay pinagkaya sa dati nga formula.
What?
Friendship and laughter equals happiness.
Char, pero sakto.
Go.
So technically, friendship is a continuous function. It never ends as long as we stay connected.
Amen to that.